friends, welcome to Java training session 51. This is Haradhan once again as usual. Today I'll discuss about upcasting and downcasting in Java with example. What is casting in Java? Casting means it is telling the compiler that an object of type A is actually of more specific type B and thus gaining access to all the methods on B that you would not have had otherwise. So in Java, there is two type of casting available. One is the upcasting and another is the downcasting. Upcasting basically refers to moving up in the class hierarchy. Okay. In other words, upcasting is casting a subtype to a supertype. Okay. So whenever we entering the reference ID of the child class object into reference variable of parent class, this is called upcasting. Okay, so upcasting is used when we want to generalize a functions or property so that it can be used by any of its subtype, whereas downcasting is the down movement in the class hierarchy. In the other word, downcasting is casting to a subtype downwards to the inheritance tree. So downcasting is, in downcasting we need to enter child class object reference ID back into child class object by using parent class reference variable. So upcasting never fail, whereas downcasting may fail if the actual type of the object and casting class do not match. So I will show you with the example how the upcasting and downcasting can be implemented in the Java. So here I have created two projects, two class. One is the parent class and another the child class. Okay. So in the child parent class, let's create a method. Suppose eat. That is the method I want to create. Method body will be parent is eating. Okay. That is my parent class. And then parent class is extending to the child class. So child class I have created and extending to the parent class. Okay. Now let's create an object of parent class with reference of the child class. So this is called upcasting. Where we are entering reference ID of the child class object into reference variable of parent class. That is the reason it is called upcasting. Okay. Now if you want to use that particular method, we need to simply type object dot eat. You can see it's coming. Now if you run it, you can see parent is eating. It's coming, right? Now let's create the same method for the child. I'm just changing the output. Child is eating. Now if you run the program, what will happen? You can see the child is coming. So it is overwriting, right? Okay. So in case parent and child class both have same method, means child class is overriding the parent class method, then child class method will be called and your parent class method will be override. So in the upcasting also, if in case two methods, same method is there in the parent and child class will override the parent class method and child class method will be taken into the consideration. So that is also in upcasting possible. Now create another method in the child class which is not available in the parent class. Okay, so I am creating another method which is sleep and child is sleeping instead of eating, sleeping. Okay, now try to use that sleep method instead of eat. Try to use the sleep dot sleep. Okay, so you can see some error message is coming, right? The method sleep is undefined for the parent. Okay, we need to create in the parent. So using the upcasting, you can't use a child class method in case it is not visible in the parent class. So if you run the program, you can see some unresolved compilation problem is coming. So that will error message will come. Unresolved compilation problem. Because in the compile time itself it will throw the error. Okay. So unresolved compile time error will come. Right. So to handle this thing, what we need to do? We need to do the downcasting. So how can we do the downcasting? So for that you have to create object for the child class. Object 1, and you need to typecast the child class. Sorry. So for that we need to create a first parent class object. Okay. Then we need to create a child class. Object 1 with reference will be child class and object reference will be the parent class object. So that is called downcasting. Where we are entering child class object reference ID back into the child class object by using parent class reference variable. Okay, so you can see we need to just give the semicolon so it will work. So sorry, child C is caps, Java is case sensitive, it will throw some errors. Now it's fine, right? So here first we are creating an object using the parent class for the child class. Then we are creating another object of the child class where we are giving the typecasting the child class and we are giving the object for the parent class. So that is called downcasting, right? Where we are entering child class object reference ID back into the child class object by using parent class reference variable. So now if you want to use it, right, object 1 dot sleep here, you give object 1 dot sleep, it will work. Let's run it. You can see it's coming. If you run it, you can see the output will be coming. Child is sleeping, right? So that is also working, right? So that is the upcasting and downcasting in Java. Okay. So that's for today's sessions. Thank you all for watching my videos. In case you are enjoying my videos and learning automation testing and Java, please like and share my videos. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification as and when I will upload a new video. Please provide your valuable comment for any input or suggestion. Stay tuned for my next video.